to join someone on Roblox without being friends. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open Chrome and search Restore Old Roblox Server List. Click on Restore Old Server List, which is Chrome Web Store. It will open this page. In here, click on Add to Chrome. After you click on Add to Chrome, you will find this kind of screen pop up at the top. Click on Add Extension. After you click on Add Extension at the top, open New Page. Make sure you're logged into your Roblox account. After you're in the Roblox account, click on the search bar at the top and search for the person you want to join. Click on their profile, then click on the puzzle-like icon at the top right corner of your screen, which is extension. After you click on the extension, which is the puzzle-like icon at the top right corner of your screen, here, simply turn everything on. After clicking on Restore, then add player username. After you've added the player's username in here, simply scroll through their profile and you'll find different badges available on their account. You can go through the badges and select their game, or you can also go to their favorites. Here you will find different games they are playing if they are online. And this is how to join someone on Roblox without being friends. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.